Alright, we're going to look at dimensioning the sparker bracket, and specifically the countersunk hole. Before we go any further, I was running out of time in that last video. There are a couple fillets that I still need to get to, and they take place here at the top. And yes, we have to extend this line back out. It is happening on this other side. And I am missing one. Where's that? Here at the top. And here we have this shrinking of the line problem again. But that is that fillet or curvature here and then here. Okay, so I wanted to do that before I forgot to. I was running out of time in that last video. Oh yeah, this other one. No, really, that should be it. Okay, I think I got all the fillets. On to dimensioning. The big thing here is the countersink. Smaller diameter, larger diameter, 82-degree angle. We're going to insert the symbol in countersink. CSK is the abbreviation for countersink that you are seeing. There is a schematic symbol, which is a V, or it's a pretty wide V, and we'll look at adding that one as well. That one would look like this. It would happen after. It would happen instead of the countersink text. I'd be looking to insert a countersink, which if I'm in that GDT file, I'm looking for this V. This is the symbol for countersink. We've already seen it for counterbore. We've seen it for depth. This is the symbol for countersink. And I want to use that. So I should be able to insert that now. Of course, it's not in this list. This always happens when I want to show something. Alright, let's try that again. I want to edit this text, and I do want to add the countersink symbol instead of CSK. Find it in GDT, select it, copy it. Right click in the workspace and paste. There is my countersink symbol. That is the symbol for countersink. You don't want to run the symbol. CSK is the abbreviation. So let's do this. Just delete the whole thing. Alright. I'm going to run the diameter to the outer diameter. I'm going to use the 12 to my advantage. I'm going to drop a line of text and start with the smaller diameter first. Diameter symbol is already present. Diameter is 7 for the drill. Come back down to 12. I want by 82 degrees. Symbol should already be here. And I can now either type in CSK for countersink, or I can insert the symbol by selecting it from our GDT file, select it, copy it, and paste it. Either way is acceptable, the text or the symbol. Now, right on to dimensioning. I'm going to go to my angles first. Dimensioning on the object would be preferred. With this one, you would have another option that would make sense. Again, we don't want to show angles over 90 degrees. You could do 15. Again, personally, I like them to be symmetrical, easy to read. Whatever method I stay with, I'm going to make them symmetrical. So there's my two 75-degree angles. Then your dimensions, overall length, width, and height will be first on the list. I'm going to do the width here at the top. Not much else is happening up here. Okay. On to some of our features. I do have to reference this line, so I get this measurement of 20. Watch that you don't hit the ends of the fillets. Your dimensions will not be correct. In the view that shows it the best, for an overall height of 25 and a depth of cup of 12, and I got 10 and 10. Okay, overall length, width, and height. Now the rib. I would prefer the rib in this side because you're going to get some more information here for finding these hole centers. Uh-oh. Something's not right. All right. Be very particular on where you select. There's 38. Distance in from the outer edge should be 18. This one gives you distance from center to center, which you can take here. Again, I like them to be symmetrical. I'm going to do 18. If you don't want to do 18 and 18, you could run a dimension from center to center. Don't do all three, because you already have the overall width. And just double checking so I don't make any more mistakes. $10 and $44, you could do it that way too. 25, I got a countersink, rib of 10, 75. The rib, we cannot assume that the rib is in the center. Good thing I checked. We cannot assume that this is in the center. Larger dimensions go outside of smaller dimensions. So 27 over and 10 wide, one side or the other. Good thing I checked. 20 and 64 I have. This part does have rounds end fillets, 2.5 millimeter text height, in all capital letters, are a radius of 3 in this upper right hand corner. That should do it.